So many people got boop taking one na street, boop taking yenine, boop taking one na street. One na haman boop taking ni. So many people then get music ame paparazzi. Apoze one ane rice. One ane rice will take a duni. Oya bune wolum gaze. Ane tiaka no fefele. This is not life. Iye na gu na blo life. Ne the fourth tiaka no fungas ne liye fele ane me one love. Opulo life. Ina atako in a west na street. One day I got na street of Benji. I saw something different. I found something different. We're building the buy on a street. Kedonyi nyelego isi na oga apugo ụgwọ. Onwonyi nyelego ya dobeligi. I can travel until you change. Most people know the street now. That province, that state, you know, that state cannot for the past 10 years. You see, in another state, join another state. Careful how dangerous a street is. Most people now watch him now. That place, you know, for the past 10 years, for the past 10 years, that environment alone, some people, the complex, that building, you know, for the past 10 years, you may be travel outside that state. Because the availability of everything, they are available at all time. Even at your disposal. You will only at your disposal. You will only learn to at your disposal. You will learn to in a you will only in a case. You will walk with a guinea and a bukafia. You will even at your disposal. One may be nature. If I'm traveler, I swear you can never go back home.